Hello children, a warm welcome to your maths class. In previous class, I taught multiplications by using tables. Today I am going to explain a real life application that is none other than word problems. See here children, exercise 5.7. There are 3 rows, first 4 sums are there. Out of 4 sums, I am going to explain 2 sums. Remaining 2 you should do in your see the HW. Okay, see. There are 3 rows of flowers. Each row has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there? Here how many rows? 3 rows. See, suppose 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 rows. Each row has how many flowers? 4 flowers. See. 4 flowers, like this 4 flowers are there. See, same. So each row has how many flowers? We have to find. Total how many flowers you have to find out. This, like this. See, there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. Each row has 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, by repeated addition means what number is repeating here? See how many flowers here? 4. Here 4. Here 4. So what number is repeating? 4 is repeating. How many times? 3 times, right? That is called by repeating addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. That is equal to 12. Is it clear children? Now, by multiplication, what number is repeating? 4 is repeating. How many times it is repeating? 3 times. So, 4 into 3. This can be written as 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Is it clear children? Okay. This is second sum children. See, there are 2 rows of eggs. Each row has 3 eggs. How many eggs are there? See here, this is first row and this is second row. I told you, sleeping line is called row. Standing line is called column or vertical line. So see here, 2 rows. Each row has how many eggs? 1, 2, 3 eggs. So by repeated addition, what number is repeating here? 3 is repeating. How many times repeating? 2 times. So 3 plus 3. How much? 6. By multiplication, what number is repeating? 3 is repeating. How many times? 2 times. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So how many eggs are there? 6 eggs. Okay. Therefore, total 6 eggs are there. Therefore, total eggs is equal to 6. See, multiplication of a 2-digit number by 1-digit number without regrouping. So, that is exercise 5.8. Find the product. See, this is a 2-digit number. You are going to multiply A by 1-digit number without regrouping. Okay. So here, see, A1. 2 3s are how much? You know 2 table very well. 2 3s are 6. That see, this is 10's place, 1's place digit and 10's place digit. Start from right side. Do multiplication from right to left. And we are going to multiply 1's place digit by 2. 2 3s are 6. That you should write in the 1's place. Okay children. Now I am going to multiply the tens place digit. 2 4s are 8. That you write in the tens place digit. This is called multiplicand, this is multiplier, and this is called product. 43 we are multiplying by 2, the result is 86. Okay children? Now same way B1, 1's place digit and 10's place digit. 1's place digit down you write the 1's place digit. This is 31 we are going to multiply by 3. 3 1's are 3. Right to left you should do multiplication. So 3 1's are 3. Like additions and subtraction. 3 3's are 9. That you write in the tens place down. So what is the product? 93. 31 into 3 is 93. Okay. Now C1. 22 you are going to multiply by 4. So 4 2's are first you multiply by 1. Multiply with 1's place digit. 4 2's are 8. That you should write in the 1's column. And again you multiply by 10's place digit. So 4 2's are again 4 2's are 8. That you should write in the 10's column. So 22 into 4 is equal to what is the product? 88. Now 11 you are going to multiply by 3. So start where you should start? Start multiplication by 1's place. 3 1's are 3. That you write in the 1's column. Again now you should go to multiply by 10's place digit. 3 1's are 3. So what is the product? 33. Okay children? Now even 13 you should multiply by 3. So 1's place digit is 3 and 10's place digit is 1. So 3 3's are 9. 3 1's are 3. So 13 into 3 how much? 39. So this is multiplication and this is multiplier and this is called product. Okay. See 21 F1 21 you should multiply it by 5. So start from 1's place. 5 1's are 5 and 5 2's are 10. You should write here because no number to do multiplication again. So that your 10 you should write here. Now what is the product? 105. Okay children? Now G1 34 into 2. 1's place digit and 10's place digit. Start from 1's place onwards. 2 4's are 8. 2 3's are 6. So the product is 68. 34 into 2. The product is 68. Now H1 51 into 1. So you know that 1 into any number same number will come. So 51 1's are 51. No need to do multiplication again, but I am going to explain like that only. See, start from 1's place. 1 1's are 1. That you should write in the 1's place. 1 5's are 5. That you should write in the 10's place. Okay children? Now I1 14 into 2. 14 is multiplicand, 2 is multiplier. Now 2 4's are start from 1's place. 2 4's are 8. That you write in the 1's column. 2 1's are 2. That you write in the 10's column. So what is the product? 28. 14 2's are 28. Okay children? Now J1 11 into 6. So 1's place digit 1 and 10's place digit also 1. So 6 1's are 6. That you write in the 1's column and 6 1's are 6. That you write in the 10's column. So 11 into 6 how much? 66. Okay. Remaining sums in this exercise 5.8. Please complete it and same 5.9 also same method. So 5.9 also you should complete in your CLB. Thank you. Have a nice day.